Wait, hoodie. Oh, so that's good.
We're gonna make videos because our sisters
and my little cousin and her brother are making YouTube videos. So we decided to make them that. So today, don't mind the background was a part of this one. Fidget spinner.
At 3 a.m.
Yeah. But not at 3 a.m. because
we're gonna try it at morning time. Hey, that's what I'm
Alright, so
we can play it.
And we had the slot PC. All the fidget spinners in the club. Today we'll be making Play-Doh sculptures. And we gotta move the TV to make them. So we'll get to move
I'm a recorder
TV
now. I know. The fan.
Oh well, we need them off anyway. What the heck?
They're trying to make us mad, posting all these videos, playing zombie games, and I know they better not touch my stand. Chicken. So y'all, we're gonna come back. Wait, I'm switching pieces with my fidgets. We would do a fidget spinner giveaway, but y'all not gonna like some.
Is there any more Play-Doh down there?
Nope.
Alright, so guys, we've been using one color Play-Doh. So see you guys when we get to the dresser table, whatever. Hey guys, so this is like my crafting table. We're only going to use this Play-Doh, and we're going to be making hard Play-Doh to smooth Play-Doh. I'll be right back with the ingredients. What? It stopped. Oh, wait.
I spin my fidget and I spin it. I spin it all the time. It's a blast. I spin it on my finger. I spin it. Here we go, fidget spinner. I know.
Yeah. So hey guys, so what you be needing?
It's a 10 fidget spinner.
Move over. Okay. Oh, so guys, the Play-Doh's right here. What you be needing is some lotion and powder mixed up. And you will need a spoon, but don't use the tip because you're gonna need it to eat one day. Would you start at? You don't want to see more powder. So hold on, let me take a dip real fast. And I'm gonna take a little bit. Yeah, on the elbow. Mix it over there. She's gonna mix it over. Gotta get the E. Yeah, so it's gonna get really messy. But you still want to see like a little bit of powder. Yeah.
Working?
Yeah.
My...
It's getting smooth a little. Yeah. All we wanted to do is get smooth and stuff.
So yeah.
I don't care if this video this video wrecks. This means the videos. Alright, so I think this is like good enough a little.
We should show y'all when we're almost done.
Yeah, so guys, so we have a little bit, and then we just gonna spam it all on.
I spin my fidget and all my face. I spin it all the time. It is a blast. I spin it on my finger. I spin it on my thumb. I spin it all the time. I'm never done.
Alright, so guys, I'm just gonna be like taking pieces off, and this is like some old behind Play-Doh, like with heck. Dipping into some powder. And yeah, ice cream.
Yeah. You want some? Yeah. I was telling you. Yeah, Kennedy and sister, we gonna have ice cream. All y'all gonna do is be making boring videos.
So the Play-Doh is getting smooth. like, subscribe.
We don't care. Give us dislikes.
Yeah, we don't care. Because if you dislike, you're a hater. You're a hater fan.
Yeah.
Well, not even like a fan. You're just a hater.
They just see our fans on Musically.
Right. I got 700, about to be to 800, and she about to be with what?
No.
To like 700.
Because I just started a new page.
Yeah.
I got like 6 pages.
Right. I got 3.
I got all these pages.
But files on Musically, most wanted Dahaya and
Sonata Slayer.
underscore.
Yeah. Underscore before every sentence. In the middle episode. Where the ice cream shop? Awesome.
It is kind of like slime. So satisfying. Brr. Alright, I'm only doing 2 pieces.
You don't have all that.
You're right.
Every video is 1 minute, 6 minutes.
Or 8 or more. And guys, we're going to be doing a video when we mail ourselves in the
Giveaway.
No.
What?
So guys, oh, this is kind of like a satisfying slime. Hold on, for real. And this is borax mixed up actually. So it's going to actually give it. And I also, me add some borax. I'll be right back. So guys, I just added a little bit of borax. Pretend.
Yeah, no.
I'm playing.
Cheese sticks with a little bit of biscuits.
Butter. Borax. I'm gonna go back on Cat House.
She got a gun.
She had a gun.
Remember she told us?
Oh.
When the little boys came messing with us?
Oh, yeah.
She shot them all the weapons she got in her basement.
Oh, she had knives hanging up our wall.
Yo, next one we'll be telling you about our sleepover we had.
So, guys, this is what our new satisfying Play-Doh's like.
It's just like slime.
And we're not going to be editing these videos because we date people. So, because when people do like videos of like 3 a.m. don't make fidget spinner at 3 a.m. stuff like that. They edit our videos, but we don't. So yeah. Make sure you like
And subscribe.
comment, share.
Dislike. We don't care.
Right. So.